India's history and culture is dynamic, spanning back to the beginning of human civilization. It begins with a mysterious culture along the Indus River and in farming communities in the southern land of India. The history of India is punctuated by constant interrogation of migrating people with the diverse culture that surrounded India. Available evidence suggests that the use of iron, copper, and other metals was widely prevalent in the Indian subcontinent at a fairly early period, which is indicative of the progress that this part of the world had made. By the end of the 4th millennium BC, India had emerged as a region of highly developed civilization. The history of India begins with the birth of the Indus Valley civilization, more precisely known as Harappan civilization. It flourished around 2500 BC in the western part of South Asia, what today is Pakistan and Western India. By 1500 BC, the Harappan culture came to an end. After that, the timeline of Indian history goes as follows. The Indian independence movement was a series of activities with the ultimate aim of ending the British rule in India. The movement spanned a total of 90 years. The first nationalistic revolutionary movement for Indian independence emerged from Bengal. On June 15, 1947, the British House of Commons passed the Indian Independence Act, which divided India into two dominions, India and Pakistan. Called it for each dominion to be granted its independence by August 15 of that year. Independence Day is annually celebrated on 15th August as a national holiday in India, commemorating the nation's independence from the United Kingdom on 15th August 1947. On the day, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Lahori Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi. In the national flag of India, the top band is of saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The last band is green in color, shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. India celebrates its constitution on 26 January as Republic Day. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It is the longest written constitution of any country on the earth. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee, is widely considered to be its chief architect. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and became effective on 26 January 1950. And the constitution of this country is governed from New Delhi, the capital of India. The British originally ruled India from Calcutta, but moved the capital to the newly built district of New Delhi because of the city's symbolic value in India. On 13 February 1911, New Delhi became the power capital of undivided India. The culture of India refers collectively to the thousands of distinct and unique cultures of all religions and communities present in India. India's language, religious, dance, music, architecture, food and customs differ from place to place within the country. Indian culture, often liberal as an amalgamation of several cultures, span across the Indian subcontinent and has been influenced by a history that is several millennia old. Many elements of India's diverse culture such as Indian religious, philosophy, cuisine, languages, dance, music and movies have a profound impact across the Indosphere, Greater India and the world. In this great country India, officially the Republic of India is a country in South Asia. It is the second most popular country. It is the 7th largest country by area with a total area of 32,87,263 square kilometers and the most populous democracy in the world with a total population of 135.26 crores. Bounded by the Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the southwest, and the Bay of Bengal on the southeast. It shares land border with Pakistan to the west, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. In the Indian Ocean, India is in the vicinity of Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Its Andaman and Nicobar Islands share a maritime border with Thailand and Indonesia. Christopher Columbus, attracted by India's wealth, had come looking forward a sea route to India when he discovered America by mistake. India was one of the richest countries till the time British rule in the early 17th century.